Hello and welcome. I got two LP-E12 batteries, non-original ones as opposed to this one. To replace it, or to, support it, these ones have a charge of 650 milliampere, supposedly. For LP-E12, 7.2 volts, 4.68 watt hours. I got these two about half a year ago, and they are completely worthless now. I'm gonna show you how. We're gonna compare these two, and the easiest way to do that is to charge these fully and see how long they can actually record a video while in the camera. So since I'm recording with the M10 right now, let me just switch cameras. Alright, so let's just confirm that these are charged. In the official charger, the battery I marked with the red button, with the red label, should be turning green any second now. Okay. And the blue one seems to be completely faulty. Because this happens, the manual states, battery charger problems may trigger a protective circuit that stops charging and makes the charge lamp blink in orange. If this happens, disconnect the charger's power plug from the power outlet and remove a battery pack. Attach a battery pack to the charger again and wait a while before connecting the charger to a power outlet again. Okay, disconnected, removed, and I'm afraid this still happens. Alright, the red one with a third-party charger does nothing. What's going on here? This one works fine. And the blue one... Oh, hello. Okay, the blue one turns from red to nothing. Okay, having a bad feeling about these batteries. So if we try out the red, the one marked with the red one, it does turn on, and let's just record a video. I know it's black, cover is on it. Let's just see how long it lasts. So first I only recorded the darkness inside, but then after 1 minute I decided to take off the cap, just in case it makes a difference, I guess. Just to make it more realistic what you're recording, even though usually would have a lot of movement. That movement maybe requires more processing, but that's what you get after 1 minute. So I was surprised by how much it actually lasts, but at the 19 minutes and 50 seconds mark it starts giving me the warning about battery going empty. This is much less than it should be able to record. And then at the 20 minutes and 33 seconds mark, it shuts off. There we go. And now we can start charging it again. And we should be able to use this non-official charger as well. So let's do a quick comparison. The official specs for the original battery says that you should be able to record 1 hour and 45 minutes approximately using this. Now of course this is a much bigger battery. I mean the capacity is bigger than the replacement here. So let's just calculate this down. So first of all, 650 is 74% of 875, so the time we can record with the OTB battery should also be 74% of the Canon time. And if we take 74% of 105 minutes, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes, we get 77 minutes, which is 1 hour and 17 minutes. And that is how much ideally the OTB should be recording. However, with this 4 months old battery, we only get 20 minutes. This is 25% of what they actually should be able to do. To make sure that this test is not completely unfair, I decided to actually use one full charge of the original Canon battery and record a video for as long as it can, and I got a result of 1 hour and 51 minutes when I aborted it because I didn't want to drain the battery too much. It was in the red, obviously. I did upload the full video of that test, you can look at it. So this 6 months old original battery not only outperformed the time that is specified in the manual, but also outperformed this 4-month-old replacement battery, even when considering the capacity difference. So now, even though I don't really feel good about the blue one, let's get it in there anyways. See what happens, because the camera had it inside already. It can totally take it. It has the protection if there is something seriously wrong with the blue marked one. So we can start, and I guess we'll just start recording as well. Oh, but as you can see, the battery is already in the red. And it's gone. Alright, so this is just faulty. So it could be that I just got unlucky twice. I will get these replaced, and I will update you either with a new video or just with an update to the description and in the comments of this one. So make sure to be subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Until then, ciao!